Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be taking you through the Nebulas website. So let's get started. Nebulas is a next generation public blockchain aiming for a constantly improving ecosystem. Principle: value ranking, self-evolving, native intensive. You can click this button to learn more about Nebula's technology. More possibilities. As you see, you can see a roadmap. Digital asset wallet for Nebulas. Safe and powerful. You can click this button to go. Also, you can see a picture of a phone. That means you can download it. Media. You can follow them on these social medias. You can also enter your email right here to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also go to the Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.